Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beck, aka the Ginger Planner, and I'm so excited for today's plan with me. I'll be using this beautiful kit called Cozy Space by LaBelle Stickers.com. Full disclosure, I do represent LaBelleStickers.com as a PR person, so I do receive a discount and monthly store credit from LaBelleStickers.com, but everything else is purchased with my own money. And I just want to let you guys know that I will only ever promote stores and businesses on my channel that I fully support and believe in. I'm never going to promote anything that I don't think is good quality, and my opinion is always going to be unbiased. So having said that, I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit about Teresa's store. She is a mum. She also works, and then she does her stickers as a separate business as well. And I just have so much admiration for the time and energy she puts into manufacturing her products. So I'm very pleased to be supporting such a great small business. Now, without me talking too much more, I'm going to get into it. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to run through the main stickers that I'm going to be using as the base of my spread. So because Teresa offers a la carte options, you can mix and match which items you would like to use from a kit, or you can purchase the full deluxe kit as well. I couldn't decide which one of these double boxes I liked better, so I went ahead and grabbed both of them. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use both of them in this spread without sacrificing on space by using some of her amazing box extenders. If you guys haven't gotten onto these, I highly recommend that you do. Now these this is a page of 4 boxes and they're beautiful. This is glitter headers with some trackers and some flags. I've got a page of 1/2 and 1/4 boxes. Now this I'm pretty sure she sneakily threw in as a freebie for me in my last order, because this matches the spread that I did last week, the beautiful Winter Vibes kit. So it matches the washi that I used here. So I'm really excited that I'll be able to carry this theme on, because it's been bloody cold in Gippsland, I can tell you that much. It has been freezing, so I really like that I'm going to be able to use this again. So as usual, I will get started by putting the washi down, and then my date covers and date dots and everything down, and once I've done that, I will pop back and check in with you guys. Okay, you guys, so date covers are down. I have finished almost a full sheet of the Barney and Moon date covers, and I absolutely love them. And I've just put some date dots by Live, Love and Craft Papercraft down, and then obviously the bottom washi as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and start laying down some of the boxes that I'm going to be using, and I will come back and chat with you in a moment. Okay, you guys, so I've just laid down some boxes, and now we all know how much last week I loved my double box extender. I actually have some more of these on order. So for this week, I'm just going to use a vertical box extender. Now what you want to do is grab your vertical box, and just don't be surprised. If you look at the sheets, you're going to think that these aren't big enough. They're the perfect size. Now all you need to do is grab the box extender and go ahead and fold it in half and just use the lines that are on the sheet to guide you. And it doesn't matter how much you touch the box extender because you're going to be covering it with a sticker anyway. And you just want to press it and make sure you press it down very firmly. Now, the reason I'm not folding this sheet in half is because you can actually use box extenders in a number of different ways that I plan on showing you in the future. But for today, I'm just going to do it the traditional way. So you fold your sticker like that. You want to try and get the line nice and tight. Now, it's still going to stick up a little bit, but trust me, as you can tell from last week, it was lifting up in my video, but once you've had the planner shut, it will actually just stay down nice and neat like that. Now you want to grab the extender and you want to go ahead and place it in your spread wherever you would like it. And I think I'm going to do similar to what I did last time, and I'm going to pop it down on the weekend over here. And you just want to line it up nice and neat, or as neat as you possibly can. Am I in frame? Yes, I hope you can see that. And there we are, just like that. Nice and neat. And then you just want to go ahead and lay your sticker down on top of it. Now, if you need to use, you know, tweezers or something to help you get a good grip on it, that's fine. I just try and line it up with the top of the extender as best as you can. Once you've got that line nice and neat, then you should be good to press down. You want to kind of like go like this so you don't get any air bubbles. And there you go, perfect. So now I've got all this space here, so it doesn't matter that I've put down 2 double boxes because I'm going to be gaining space with using the box extender. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back into time lapse and keep filling this out, and I'll check back with you shortly. We've got so far. I've got 2 box extenders over here, and now I'm going to start working on my sidebar. So as usual, I'm going to pop a cute sticker that Teresa was so kind to create for me, and this time I'm definitely going to use this one of my hubby. And again, I've forgotten to put my wedding ring on for the video. Every time I do my nails, I take my wedding ring off and then I always forget to put it back on because it needs resizing. So Sean, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. But I love this. It just gives me those cuddly, cozy vibes. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to fill this out. And then I'm going to start putting some washi and things along to cover up some of those decorations that come with my planner. So I'll hop again into time lapse and I'll check back with you in a moment. Okay, so the sidebar's done. I really love that, and I love when I put a bigger sticker down over this side and I don't kind of have to pop a bunch of stuff in there, because honestly I don't usually pay that much attention to the sidebar. So it's one of the reasons I really love Teresa's kits, because you can get the double boxes as an add-on, which just makes life so much easier for someone like me. Although things are about to change next week when uni starts for me, and I'm going to be working full-time, studying part-time, and doing planner content as well. It's going to get crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. All right, so it's washi time. So I'm going to go ahead and pop back into time lapse as usual, and you will see that in just a moment. guys, this is looking super cute. My only regret is that I don't have like a navy blue colored glitter washi that I could use, because I feel like it would tie everything together a little bit better, but I'm still loving it. And I feel like once I've got all the stickers down here, your eye is going to be drawn towards the spread and not so much the washi, which is always the aim when I do my spreads. So now I'm going to pop back into time lapse and I'm going to start filling in the rest of this. I haven't decided which washi I'm going to put down here yet. I may just go ahead and do the black with the silver stars, but I'm going to lay down some more boxes and just get a feel for what I decide to do. And yeah, so this is why I do time lapse, because I ramble too much. All right, I will go and I will pop back soon. So this is where I'm at so far. So just to let you guys know, I'm not using this sticker not because I'm a prude or anything, but birds in the background, I'm sorry, but because I really want to do a really cool looking spooky spread, and so I'm keeping this one aside because I actually think it's going to look really good in that. So I'm going to save this one for an upcoming video. I had a couple of oopsies where I've put some stickers a little bit askew, so don't mind my crooked spread. I added in 2 extra checkboxes that I had from a previous Happy Mail that I got from GP Studio, so that's what I've popped in here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some characters and some scripts and some foil and things down. So back into time lapse while I do that, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, you guys, this is this week's spread. I'm so excited with how it turned out. Again, I used some of the foil gold snowflakes that I used last week. I used up the rest of a sheet of glitter foil overlays from Busy Bee Prints. Some of the washi from Planner Goddess Studio. I have these little scripts that I got from Hamilton Paper Co. And again, my little Sailor Moons and Jolinas, which are also LaBelle stickers. And I have some teeny little scripts from Live, Love and Craft Paper Craft as well. And then this is what it looks like. I'm just so excited with how this turned out. Teresa, if you're watching, I love your stickers. I love how versatile her kits are because you can do so much with them. And I'm always so interested to see what everyone comes up with the same kit. So if you have this kit or a similar kit, hit me up on Instagram, tag me in your photos. If you do YouTube as well, leave me your channel down below. Really excited to see what everyone comes up with for this week's plan with me. Thank you guys so much again for joining me. It's a pleasure as always, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye.